Let's make this a little bit more fun and interesting. This video has one of my business cards hidden in it someplace. If you can find it, let me know in the comments where you saw it. It's not going to be easy.
Alright, so we need to change those lights. Now 3 are working and 1 isn't. We got to get up there and change them all. And then I got to try to come over here and change that one and that one.
Moving this ladder is not easy by yourself. Sometimes you have to sit it down a couple times before you get to your final destination. That's okay. It's better than banging the walls or marring your customer's floor. I don't know what this ladder weighs, but it's a struggle. What you're about to see me do here is called a rung raise. We use this in the fire service, and it's a very safe way for one person to walk the ladder up to a vertical position. 1 rung at a time with an upward pressure so that the feet do not slide. The 2 arms that connect the 2 parts of the ladder together are called spreaders, and it's important that they are completely locked into position. Don't ever climb a ladder if those spreaders are not locked into a horizontal position. Now with a 16-foot ladder like this, they have about a 3 to 3.5 inch span between the 2 sets of steps. Are you watching for the hidden business card? Did it show up yet? Did you miss it? Or is it yet to come? When climbing a ladder, you should always keep 2 rungs above your feet. It is extremely dangerous if your knees do not have anything to rest against, as that is how you stabilize yourself properly.
This is the scary part, taking this back down again.
Now, I did not show you me changing any lights out because this video is all about raising and lowering a ladder by yourself. I want you to learn the proper techniques so that you can do this without hurting yourself or damaging property. Well, after changing all the lights, one of them still won't light up. I've tried several bulbs in it. I've taken it out of the ceiling and I checked. There's absolutely no AC power up there. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe there's a separate switch that controls that. The homeowner's not here, so I'll have to check with him. Right about here is where it gets really scary. Make sure this thing is perfectly vertical as you close these 2 together. Turn it, line it up to the doorway the way you need to, and do a reverse rung raise. It's a rung lower. Make sure that each rung that you touch, you're applying upward pressure to it. This will take the weight off the feet of the ladder, and it'll be less inclined to slide out on you, causing the ladder to crash down on your head. Now take special notice right here, how I adjust the ladder. I can pivot it and turn it to aim towards the door. I can even push the feet away from me a little bit if I'm too close to that. Once you're on this angle, you have total control of that ladder. Did I accomplish it? I raised it and lowered it by myself. Nothing got damaged and I didn't get hurt. But guess what? You're really not supposed to do that with a ladder this size. It should take 2 people to maneuver this ladder. 2 people to set it up and 2 people to tear it down. And somebody spotting you while the others climbing the ladder. Okay, so this here is the room we were just in with the 14-foot ladder. We have a light at the top of the stairwell that I need to change, as well as one over here above the entry. The homeowner stated that the landing above the entry is okay to stand on. So let's get started. My apologies, I lost the video for this section where I changed this light out. But it was a simple little climb the ladder, change the light, so you didn't really miss all that much at all. Here I am getting ready to climb over the entry landing. I purchased this extension ladder at Sherwin-Williams. It's like $200. It's good up to 300 pounds, and it's a 22-foot ladder. And when you let it all compact into itself, it literally takes like maybe 1.5 feet by 2.5 feet of space.
Why? Just makes it.
Bringing a stool up with me because I know that I'm not tall enough to reach from the landing up to that light. He's got some kind of decoration thing up here I'm going to have to maneuver around as well. So back to this ladder. It has nice little rubber feet on it so it doesn't slip on the floor and it doesn't mark the walls. It's very nice. In case you're wondering why I climb one step at a time, it's because I have a knee that will give out every once in a while. So I favor it by making sure that that doesn't happen. Otherwise, for the rest of the day, I'm in pain. Don't grow old.
I guess it's strong enough. Hello. Good thing I brought the stool.
Listen to me and listen real good right now. This is the most important part of this video. Ladder safety is nothing to ignore. I'm a former firefighter. I've been a fire chief. I've seen people get hurt in all aspects of all different jobs, not only on the fire service, but installing antennas, installing satellite dishes, cable TV. I even saw a roofer ride a ladder off the roof and almost kill himself, tangling himself in the power wires that was servicing the home. Stand in front of the ladder. Plant your toes right against the feet of the ladder. Reach your arms straight out while standing perfectly straight up. If you can grab the rails of the ladder, it's at the right angle. If you can't, adjust the ladder before you climb it. This is the most important part of ladder safety. It's also important to note, be aware of what your ladder's sitting on. The obvious, if you're sitting on ice, you know it's going to be slippery. But leaves are also slippery. Twigs can break. Don't stand the ladder rails on chairs or logs or anything like that to try to get the height or to level it out. You could level it out with a board, but even that board can slip. Be very careful with ladders, and if someone else is around, ask them to help you. Have them foot the ladder. It's so much safer that way.
Man, that's way up there. That is way up there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm 6. That's 18. That's another one. That's 19. 20-foot ceiling.
So far, all the shots I've shown you were videotaped from the floor level. I'm going to go upstairs with you now and let you look off the balcony so you can actually appreciate the height of these ceilings. This is the room we were in with that 14-foot ladder. Now imagine the chaos involved when the wife says, "I want to wash those curtains." Okay, Now it's time to move on to the next job. I appreciate you watching. Be safe on a ladder if you're going to use one. If you like videos like this, I invite you to subscribe to this channel. If you hit the little bell, you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thanks, and until next time, be safe and have a great day.